Welcome to Unit 5 of Graphic Illustration. This week we're going to focus on working with layers. We're going to create and modify layers, manipulate layered artwork, organize content using layers, which many of you have already maybe dabbled in layers a bit within graphic illustration. It is kind of the hallmark of graphic illustration, Illustrator. Being able to layer your artwork and organize it is really crucial in being able to work effective within the program. So we're also going to focus on beginning our new project, the postcard. Please look under resources. These are very helpful, as well as read the video for organizing content with layers. Use these files, follow the video, support your final work here. With regard to the postcard, please do not feel like you have to post anything far along at this point. We are solely focusing on subject matter, ideas, inspiration, and share those with your peers. I provided some postcard inspiration. Speaking of inspiration, it's taking a minute or two to load here. If you look, there's some great ideas of different postcards. Please note that you have to have a front and a back side to the postcard. So whether you set up your document in Illustrator with 2 artboards, 4 high by 6 wide, or if you wanted to do a portrait, that would be 4 wide by 6 high, or 6 wide by 4 high. It's up to you, whatever works for your specific ideas. But for example, if you were to do something similar to this, you would have to have a front side and a back side. It's always good to have a call to action. I know some of you know that already who have taken other courses such as the Integrated Design or InDesign Layout Program. What does this postcard cover? Is it just an example showcasing William Shakespeare's a William Shakespeare quote? Is that something that you want to showcase? That's fine. It's more of an abstract piece showcasing art and to be sent as a sentiment. Whereas there might be other ones that are advertising a product or something that you might need to have like a call to action, like a website or an address of sort. Here are some other just like travel postcards. The vintage ones are always interesting to look at. You can model yours after any one of these. Maybe there's a stylistic one that you enjoy. For example, vector graphics are very prominent in Illustrator and they're built best within Illustrator. This is solely vector graphics, so maybe that's something you'd like to consider when you design your postcard. Old-fashioned European poster approach for a postcard, very, very interesting. So these are inspirational nonetheless. You guys can choose whatever you'd like for your subject matter. Now, while you see some of the inspiration I provided here, please note that they do not have to be a travel postcard. They can be a product postcard. They can be advertising anything you'd like. This is going to be solely up to you. Think about a postcard. Maybe it's a wedding event. Maybe it's a personal event that you're interested in or a cause that you're interested in. That's what I want to see. Post your postcard ideas to the forum, what you have in mind. Do some research. Look through some inspiration. I'm going to try and find a few more links for inspirational postcards to supply to you up in resources. This is our second project. There'll be multiple weeks to work on it. And be sure that you are taking note that even if we have several weeks to work on it, that you're staying on track and maybe you design the front side this week, the back side next week, along with your drafts and revisions. Take other people's feedback into account to improve upon your designs and then contribute back to the forum by supplying your feedback to your peers. Have a great week, everyone. And I did have some questions. We do have a break over the spring break. So if anybody is curious about the work, I would solely focus on your postcard, making it great, building those vector graphics, thinking of how you might be able to display a really solid postcard. for your portfolio. So any questions, let me know. See you in next unit's overview.